Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. We did a bunch of work to this machine. It was intermittently the lights in the front were intermittently flashing, and it needed a tune-up, and so we did both. And you can see the old board here. This is the old board. We got the newer upgraded version board of the board in the machine, and you can see how dirty the screen was. So this machine should get back flushed a little bit more often. So let's go ahead and pull a shot.
Alright, so you replace the flow meter. On for a while. So give me any issues yet? No. Looking good.
That's a nice shot. Alright, thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Oh yeah, let's see, just almost forgot. Let's do a steam test. Steam. And a hot water test.
He is able to escape all this shit off though.
So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. Alright, bye.